10 minus 5, then in bracket 10 divided by 5. And answer is not 10. कैसे करते हैं कुछ लोग इसको? 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 10 divided by 5 is 2. Then bracket open. 5 2s are 10. But this answer is wrong. What will be the right way to solve it? As per BODMAS, first of all, we will solve bracket. So 10 minus 5 will be written as it is. And 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Now we will open the bracket first. 10 minus 5 multiplied by 2. Now as per BODMAS, we will solve multiplication first. 10 minus 5 2s are 10. And 10 minus 10 is 0. This is our correct answer. Right?